So hello, thank you for stopping by. Let me make this video as short as possible. So first of all, I'm going to tell you three unknown benefits of mushroom, health benefits of course. It helps keep you young. So all those people who want to stay young forever, I mean obviously that can't happen, but still you can stay younger for longer. Mushrooms contain a super high concentration of two antioxidants, which are argothioneine and glutathione. So basically these two, let's simplify it, these two are the ingredients which help maintain one's youth. These two are, you can say, antioxidant chemicals or whatever that is needed for the body. So the second point is it boosts immunity. Boosts memory. Just wanted your attention basically. So 3/4 cup of servings of cooked mushroom per week may reduce your odds of mild cognitive decline, which is actually shown in a study which was conducted last year in 2019. Therefore, according to a study, if you consume 3/4 cup, which should be about, if I'm not, about 100 grams or so, 100 grams of mushroom, cooked mushroom of course, per week, will eventually help you have a better memory. So the third and the last one is very important. It energizes body. Mushrooms are rich in vitamins such as B, riboflavin B2, folate B9, thiamine B1, pantothenic and acid B5, and niacin B3. All these vitamins that I've just stated out help the body utilize energy from the food we consume and produce red blood cells, which are absolutely fundamentally essential to creating energy inside your body, and which can carry oxygen throughout the body. Alright, so now I'm quickly going to share a couple of details with you. First of all, I bought these from Delhi at a place in West Delhi. Again, you have to let me know in the comment section. Do you want to know the name of the place? Do you want to know the location of the place? Let me know. Ask me so that I can tell you, right? And this price of the bag, I'm obviously going to tell you. So as you can see the moisture inside, right? So these are spawns. Let me quickly probably tilt it a little and show you. Can you see this spawn? I'm sure you can, because I can see it in the camera. So this one, these are like spawns which are actually running. Mycelium is running inside. So basically what I have done is, now you're going to ask me what this is. Obviously I'll tell you that, but first I'll tell you that I can't really open this, and I bought 4 of these. I'll tell you what price I bought them, and you'll be shocked to know that you can actually grow your own mushroom and without any hassles whatsoever. All you need is probably 10 square foot of area. That's about it. Anyway, so I've sprayed inside this one yesterday. That is, if I'm not wrong, the 7th of November. Yeah, I sprayed some water inside on top, on the top layer basically, and so that it starts to get humid inside the bag. So humidity will ensure quicker mycelium run. When I say mycelium run, basically अगर हिंदी में बोला जाए तो मतलब मशरूम की जो फंगस है वो फैलने लग जाएगी. माइसीलियम रन का मतलब ये होता है फंगस फैलेगी, right? And that can only happen when there is humidity inside the bag, right? So I'll tell you what is this. This is simply cotton. Okay, so I had some cotton at my place, and this is coco peat. So what I have done is I've sterilized. I boiled them each separately, of course. This for 10 minutes separately and this for 10 minutes separately. You can have a look. This was important because boiling ensures that all types of germs and जैसे हिंदी में कीटाणु कहते हैं सारे मर जाएं, sterilize हो जाए, right? So this was done to sterilize basically. So and why this was done is because I'm going to create a top layer eventually of this. Inside of this, please understand that the mushroom is getting its nutrients from already existing wheat straw which is there inside of it. So this is not nutrient generating. This is simply to ensure that there is humidity that is maintained, because coco peat as well as cotton is something I was not told, because I realized that cotton has this huge capacity of absorbing water and keeping that absorbed within itself, of course, if it is not given too much of air or wind so as to dry up. So if it stays inside, it will keep the water retention levels of cotton are high, simply to put it that way, and so is the case with coco peat. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Now I'm going to share the 18-day update. And now, of course, the most important thing, the price of this bag is only 150 rupees. So let's count another 10 rupees, 160. So with 160 you get 2 kgs of mushroom, which eventually means 80 rupees per kg of button mushroom. So this is bag for button mushroom. I'm sorry I forgot to share that. Button mushroom bag. And 80 rupees per kg is nothing. Probably I would say it's little, if not nothing. 80 rupees per kg, you are actually giving about 40 rupees, 50 rupees. In South Delhi it's for 50 rupees for 200 grams. So multiply that by 5. In South Delhi you're getting it for 250 rupees per kg. So that is more than thrice the price that you're paying it for. So why not just go and travel and get your own bags and make your own mushroom? And this will be like a sort of a hobbyist kind of an activity for you for weekends, and it is entertaining. I'm sure I watched in a lot of videos. I've been watching videos on mushroom training because I really cannot go and take the training because of the pandemic scenario. So therefore I watched a lot of videos for 2 months, and eventually I got the courage to buy these bags. So they are not very expensive anyway. I'm sure you can spend 300 rupees and do a little project on this, and if it pans out really well for you, maybe think about making it a business. So this is what I wanted to share with you. If you want to know the place from where I bought it, which is a government place, by the way, it is a government place. It is wholly owned by government. It is fully provided by the government, so there will be minimal profits on these kind of things. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to know many more details, please type in the comment section area and I will let you know. Take care, God bless, keep smiling, and see you very soon.